Welcome to the future of field hockey court maintenance with the SportChamp, the ultimate care and cleaning machine for your sports facility. Known for its excellence in artificial turf maintenance, the SportChamp is also perfect for maintaining all kinds of field hockey courts: wet, semi-dressed, and dry hockey. The SportChamp's large turf tires ensure minimal ground pressure, protecting the delicate surface of your field hockey court. Using the new rotating brush SC3, a fusion of 3 brush systems designed for maintaining and cleaning track, turf, and hockey courts, this versatile attachment ensures top-notch play conditions. Equipped with a strong vacuum turbine and dust filter, the SportChamp effectively vacuums dust, debris, and microplastics. By reducing microplastics, our machine ensures a safer and better play environment for athletes. Routine maintenance with the SportChamp reduces algae growth, creating a safer and more playable hockey field. A well-maintained field not only looks better, but also enhances the playing experience, providing a safer and more enjoyable game. Regular use of the SportChamp extends the lifetime of your field, protecting your investment and ensuring it remains in top condition for years to come. Choose the SportChamp for a cleaner, safer, and longer-lasting field hockey court. Protect your field, enhance your play, and enjoy peace of mind. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.